In the previous video I discussed how to chain the promises and one after the other. Okay, that was good, but if you use async and await, it will be much simpler than that. Okay, now I have the same promisified functions here. So to use the async and await syntax, first I have to wrap the whole promises inside an async function. So I have created a function called my function, which is an async. So this is a normal function, but this is an asynchronous function. To use await syntax, you have to be inside async function. Okay, now you can do the same thing as before. Instead of then you call await, you write await and then the promise. Then what happen is the promise resolves to a value. That value is here. Then this value pass to the next promise like this. So I await again here so that I can have this value, and this value is passed to the next promise. Since the last promise does not resolve to any value, I have not stored it using a const variable. Okay, the other thing is, if an error occurs in any of these asynchronous operation, it will be handled by try catch blocks. Okay, so I have wrapped the asynchronous operations inside a try block and catch a statement. The error, if say an error occur inside this operation, then this will not execute and this will get executed. So that's how we use promises with async and await. It is much simpler than the method chaining. This is the most commonly used thing when it comes to asynchronous functions. So I hope you guys understood what asynchronous means and how to use it with method chaining and then async and await syntax. This is the end of this asynchronous JavaScript section. Thank you very much for listening.